Confused about the difference between crypto coins and tokens? You're not alone. This video breaks down this fundamental concept for beginners. Let's start with the basics of digital assets and how they function in the decentralized world of cryptocurrency. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand the difference between a coin and a token, using simple language and real-world examples. First up, let's define what exactly a cryptocurrency coin is and its primary role in the digital ecosystem. A crypto coin operates on its own dedicated blockchain, meaning it is the native asset of that platform. Coins are primarily used for transferring value, acting much like digital money and paying for transaction fees, often called, quote, gas, on their network. The most famous examples are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin runs on the Bitcoin blockchain, and Ether is the native coin of the Ethereum blockchain. Now let's shift our focus to tokens. They are a different type of digital asset with distinct functionalities. Unlike coins, tokens are built on top of an existing blockchain, leveraging that host chain's infrastructure, like security and transaction processing. Tokens are programmable and designed to represent a specific asset, provide utility within an application, or grant voting rights in decentralized projects. Great examples of tokens include stablecoins like USDT, governance tokens like Uniswap, and all non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. The core operational difference comes down to their independence, which is crucial to understand. Coins are completely independent, hosting their own platform and keeping their own ledger of transactions. Tokens, on the other hand, rely entirely on their host coin's blockchain for security and transaction validation. Why does this distinction matter to you as someone new to crypto? It impacts several key areas of your experience. You'll notice that when you transact with a token, you usually need the host coin, like Ether, to pay the transaction fees. Tokens inherit the security of the coin's blockchain. Coins are often viewed as a form of currency or a store of value, while tokens are more often tools used within decentralized applications or proof of ownership. To summarize, coins are native currencies with their own blockchain, and tokens are assets built on top of a coin's blockchain. Understanding this difference is your first step into smart crypto engagement. Thanks for watching.